Oh shit. Dr. Acula, really? What's up? So, I had 2 classes this morning. Fuck you, doctor. That was gross. What's up? I had class. What was I gonna say? Anyways, what I was going to say was I had class twice already today. I have class again at 2. It's 102. 102. Sorry I said that. Okay. So, what I wanted to do was test how well the sound works on this fucking thing. I can't really tell, because the other video was really quiet. You probably couldn't hear what I just said, because I think the fucking is down here somewhere. But I don't know. And then I have music playing in the background, if you can hear it. Right there. Hold on. Right there, where my finger is. That's my iPod. That's where the music's coming from. Listening to Dr. Acula. Dr. Acula. Dr. Acula is the shit. Still probably can't really hear what I'm saying. Hold on. I'm gonna put another song on. I'm really sorry you had to see that. My hat fell off. This is pointless.